I'm Cassie Berry. This is Food Facts TV. We have been shedding light on the ingredient differences between products made in the USA and products made in countries with stricter food standards, like the UK. Here's another example, Kellogg's Nutri-Grain Bars. Here's the ingredient list for the American version. There's a double whammy of high fructose corn syrup in both the crust and the filling. The controversial TBHQ is in there, as well as the dye Red 40, which, if you look at the United Kingdom's version, you won't find any Red 40. It is banned in the UK. Also, you won't see any high fructose corn syrup or too many of those hard-to-pronounce chemical names. To give you some background, a study known as the Southampton study was done in the UK a few years ago. It ended up showing that artificial colors and preservatives like sodium benzoate have a bad effect on people, especially children. Kraft, Walmart, Coca-Cola, and Mars Candy Company voluntarily removed those bad ingredients from their products. And now all UK companies have to remove artificial colors that are on the list as a bad ingredient. To learn more, visit foodfacts.com, follow us on Twitter, or friend us on Facebook.